Umholi we-Economic Freedom Fighters uthi isinqumo sikaSomlomo wePhalamende sokungaphonseli inselele isinqumo sikaMengameli sikhombisa ukuchema nokungavikeli ukuzimela kokusebenza kwesishayamthetho.
Not only has she dragged her feet, but she has actively failed to execute her responsibilities in defense of the oversight duties of Parliament.
I-MK Party ihambisane nesiphakamiso sokungabethembi ubuholi bukaSomlomo wePhalamende.
Lokhu asikwenzi ngoba sizama ukususa uchuku noma ngoba siqhuba ipolitiki yamaqembu. Sikwenza ngoba sikhathazekile siwumkhonto wesizwe ukuthi ngabe lendlu yePhalamende isayisikhungo sikahulumeni esizimele ngempela na, njengoba kubekwe under usection 42 subsection 3 somthethosisekelo.
I-ANC ithi uSomlomo wesishayamthetho sikazwelonke uyilandele yonke imithetho yePhalamende.
The ConCourt handed down its judgment on the matter between the EFF and the Speaker of the National Assembly. Accordingly, the Speaker acted without any hesitation to ensure that the National Assembly fully complies with the directive and the order of the Apex Court.
I-Democratic Alliance ithi isinqumo sokuthi asuswe esikhundleni uSomlomo wePhalamende sasigagamela kakhulu, kanti i-PA ithi lesiphakamiso sinenhle sethile. I-IFP ithi izizathu ezihlinzekwe umholi we-EFF azivezi ukuthi sengaze kufinyelelwe esinqumeni sokuthi asuswe esikhundleni uSomlomo wesishayamthetho sikazwelonke.
It should not become a convenient political weapon when every party disagrees with a ruling or decision of the Speaker. The question before us is not whether the Speaker has made mistakes. She has. The question is whether those shortcomings are of such a nature and magnitude that this House should conclude that she has fundamentally failed to discharge the responsibilities of her office.
This is just a whole lot of noise created by the sponsor of this motion. And we have to cut through those noise because this is not about accountability. It's purely about vendettas.
The IFP therefore welcomes scrutiny of the Speaker, but accountability must itself be grounded in evidence. The Speaker has duly implemented the Section 89 Constitutional Court judgment. She constituted the impeachment committee, referred the independent panel report to it, and put the institutional and administrative machinery in place for its work.